Here I've got a relatively narrow board that I am trying to work out a process to get the edge here straight and square to the other two surfaces. I had been trying this number 7 jointer plane, but it is running into some problems for such a long board to try to make sure that it stays straight. So I am going to have to try to use the table saw and see if I can find a way to get that to work more efficiently, accurately, and quickly. This is a close-up of the edge of the board, and you can see that the plane blade has smoothed this, but there's still a rough edge here, so I need to keep planing down until this is square all the way across. So that's going to take a lot more work. Alright, let's see how this goes. You can see here that even though this side is nice and flat, it's still sitting higher than the right hand edge. But I have enough of a flat spot that will register against the table saw fence. So I should be able to run this through the table saw and get the opposite side perfectly square and flat, then flip it over and then get this side trimmed up. We'll see how that goes.